understanding pumpkin pie spice, a flavorful journey. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and flavorful topic: pumpkin pie spice. This phrase is not just about food, but it's also a great example of how language and culture come together. So, let's dive into the world of flavors and learn some English along the way. Pumpkin pie spice is a blend of ground spices used primarily in American cuisine, especially in making pumpkin pie, a traditional Thanksgiving dessert. It typically includes cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, and sometimes allspice. Each of these spices contributes to the overall flavor, creating a warm, sweet, and slightly spicy taste. Understanding each component helps in comprehending the meaning and usage of the phrase. Pumpkin pie spice is more than just a seasoning. It holds a significant cultural value, particularly in the United States. It is strongly associated with autumn, Thanksgiving, and the holiday season. When people talk about pumpkin pie spice, it often evokes feelings of coziness, family gatherings, and festive celebrations. This phrase is a perfect example of how language can capture the essence of cultural traditions and emotions. Apart from cooking, pumpkin pie spice has found its way into everyday language and marketing. It's used to describe not just the spice blend but also the flavor of various products like lattes, candles, and even soaps. The phrase symbolizes comfort, warmth, and festivity. When you hear or see this phrase, it's often in the context of something warm, comforting, or related to autumn. I hope this video has given you a tasty slice of English language learning and helped you understand the meaning and cultural significance of pumpkin pie spice. Remember, language learning is not just about words. It's about culture, emotions, and experiences. Keep exploring and enjoy the journey of language learning. See you in the next video.